little birds sitting all alone in the nest, hungry as can be, just hoping that some worms will come along. Father Bird hopefully will come through with some worms. But suddenly Trixie Times came by, who was planning on trading in her worms for gold. But she took a look at these three hungry faces and decided to give them the worms instead. And there she is, Trixie Times, saving the day. Thank you. Oh, thank you. I always wanted a hat made out of worms. Thank you. Thank you.
The lace little bracelet. Worms.
Mm-hmm. And there's Trixie. Trixie, would you like to say hello?
Hi.
And the worms had a happy evening with their new birds. And the birds love their worms. Oops. Oops. And worms went flying everywhere. Oops. And that is the end of our movie. We hope you enjoy the math that we did. I hope it's not blurry. A little more math.